Is your baby making a Gur-Gur sound while breathing? Don't panic, it's very common in babies. Newborns have tiny airways and often have mucus, which can cause these sounds. If your baby is feeding well, active, and not struggling to breathe, it's usually normal. Here's what you can do. Keep your baby's nose clean using saline drops if needed. Use a soft nasal aspirator to gently clear mucus. Keep your baby slightly upright after feeding. Maintain a clean, dust-free environment. But watch for warning signs: fast breathing, chest pulling, or bluish lips. If you notice these, contact your doctor immediately. Stay calm. Most of the time, it's harmless and temporary.